Now I want to talk about the cords and how they can be replaced. I simply untied the cord and I untied the knots, so I'm going to pull the cord out and it comes out quite easily. And I'm concerned that some people might go, oops, how do I get the cord back in? We made these pockets nice and sized so that you can easily do it. Now I'm told I'm a dinosaur. I hope I'm not, but I have metal coat hangers. And it sort of doesn't matter. This one I happen to be able to use without unwinding it or bending it in some way. All I'm doing is I pinch down the end of it, I slide it through the pocket, I put the cord through it, and then I pull it back through. So now I have one end of the cord that's through, and then I take the other end and I'm going to go from the other direction so that I have a loop. I'm going to come in here, I'm going to slip the coat hanger through, and I'm going to pull it back through. And now I'm back to where I was, where I had the two tails. I can tie a knot in it or I can tie a slip knot. I love this feature about the masks. I have a technical side to me, but I have a big artistic side to me. And I know especially with younger people that they want to make it their mask, and it can become a lot more enjoyable to wear. So you can put in a ribbon, you can put in lace, you can put in all kinds of materials that make this your own. I even came up with a crazy idea because my wife does necklaces, is wouldn't it be interesting, and I don't know if it would catch in the hair, but I think it wouldn't catch in my hair. But I thought, wouldn't it be interesting to make this like a necklace and these so you can tie them behind your back? So effectively what you do is you put in a little bling. You need to have some fun as you deal with these masks. You may even want to put some bling on the mask. So have some fun doing it, and especially with children. All of the people that are staying at home, doing homeschooling, a nice art project to make the mask something that they will want to wear and enjoy is give them 3 pieces of yarn and have them simply braid the different colors together or braid the yarn together, pull that through, and then it becomes theirs. It shows their personality. So have a little bit of fun with them.